is the 2025 BMW XM. It's up here at the Highline Group. You definitely want to check them out. We're going to go around this car and really kind of dive into it. Interesting car, to say the least. It's a hybrid, but look at the size of the rims. The cool XM badge. Popping in right here. Got the M badge. Adjustable seats, obviously. Bowers and Wilkins. This is a great stereo system. The inside is beautiful, soft, supple leather with the deviated stitching right here. The XM on the badge. And look up there. Look at your headliner. Got mood lighting. How neat's that, right? Down inside here, get a little storage area with a USB port. Down here, you have your cooled seats and your heated seats. In there, you have another USB port. Getting in, and it's so quiet in here. Nice glove box. I love the carbon fiber treatment. That's super nice. And you have this beautiful screen that goes from way over there all the way to over here. So I love these kind of fully integrated screens. Really nice. And again, look at this. That's so cool. Super new age. Getting in the back seat. All right. Really? We got to get in the back seat? We already know how big this is. Look at the size. It's super nice in here. You have your climate controls right here. A little storage area that goes in here. This one thing is massive in the back seat. Just absolutely massive. And again, you have these really cool ambient lights. I like this little kind of texture on the ceiling here. That's really nice. I don't know if that camera picks that up just right. Cup holders. And let's tell you a bit about it. This is the 4.4 liter V8. Only has 10,000 miles on it. Really nice. Plenty of room back here. Another 12 volt way back here. Door panel, obviously. Adjustable seats, bolsters, massaging seats, another little place to store some stuff. This is really, really nice. Look at this. I love this infotainment system. It's the whole entire board. Here are all your car controls, cameras, media, home, map. Map pulls up on that screen. Go to your home screen from there. Your media. Your telephone, more navigation. I do like the Navi on this because you could just go around and then just press the button.
Where should we go?
That's cool. Very nice. And then over here, obviously, you could change up a few of the things on the dashboard, which we're not going to do. And here is the motor. 4.4 liter V8 engine. Look at how massive this is. Of course, it's got the hybrid over here. Really nice. You see all the hybrid coming in on the back. What a great little truck. Driving the 2025 BMW XM. This is a 4.4 liter V8 with a plug-in hybrid assist. Okay, how did we get so lucky to get in this thing? So, people say that hybrids are boring. This is not a boring hybrid. I guarantee it. First impressions. This thing is loud on the outside and quiet on the inside. It's so incredibly peaceful in here. It's got the heads-up display. It's so nice. I am super impressed with this already. And it's so responsive. All of the stats will be right here. This is unreal. It's so comfortable. You know, BMW has a way of starting to really do it right. You know, for a while there, they had lost their way, but I think in 2023, 2024, they really started getting it right. And now, it is right. It is just one of the nicest. Oof, that instant acceleration. Unbelievable. This is great. What an instant pickup that was. Oof. That is really comfortable. Holy goodness gracious. This is quick. What an animal. It's really comfortable. Here's the stats on the miles per gallon. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's hybrid. So when you're going at lower speeds, you can be using more hybrid. It is a plug-in, which is great. You do get some regeneration out of the brakes. This is so nice, and it's tactile. This steering wheel is just beautiful. It's nice and it's hefty. It's got all of the features that you might want in a car, and then some. And then the brakes. Yeah. Wow. Huh. Unbelievable. That is so nice and soft. A little bit of body roll on the corners, as you would expect for a vehicle of this weight. Nothing significant. It absorbs the bumps. It shifts nicely. And you could really feel the softness of the road, even in areas where the road isn't so soft. It kind of feels like it is cooperating with you. And again, another German car, it's kind of what they do. They cooperate. They learn to drive with you, you learn to drive with them. It's a great experience to be in this thing. And I'll tell you, the heads-up displays these days are just so far advanced from years ago. This one is blue in front of me, and it's telling me I'm doing exactly 32 miles an hour, and it's really nice. The cornering is exceptional. It has all of your features on it. Your lane keep assist. This is so comfortable. All right, so to say about this car is when you have a BMW, you want to drive it. This car wants to be driven. It's the M series. M series means their performance. This is all about performance. And they happen to roll in some great comfort in this thing too. But this right here, okay? Is that insane, or is that just my imagination? I love that. You know, who's this for? This is for the guy or the lady that wants to just have a great sporty drive, arrive in luxury, and really kind of, you know, be on the map for themselves. This shows you I've worked hard my whole life. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. So it's a nice used car, but it is certainly nothing you're going to say, oh, this isn't fun. This is a ton of fun. So it's made for somebody who wants to have fun. I definitely see this being a family-owned car. If you're an automotive enthusiast and you need something a little bit bigger that could tow and that could just drive as nice as you want, this is it. And it has the performance like you wouldn't believe. It also has your 2M buttons, so you could set your own preference. So driver 1, driver 2. I love that. It has the paddle shifters, as we've already discussed. Those are beautiful carbon fiber. Some beautiful carbon fiber on the dash, which we discussed earlier in the video, and some other neat features in here. I recommend this car for that kind of person who really wants to be the automotive enthusiast and at the same time make sure that they are safe and comfortable and they can get around in anything. Listen, if you want this car, you should head up to the Highline Group up in Lowell. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.